Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, former HR and recruiter of TCS and founder of Careerkunj. Careerkunj is an initiative which is helping students to prepare for placements, to get the top internships and to build a better career into corporates. And we are consistently making different videos about different hirings and different opportunities for jobs and internship. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe us so that you can get the latest updates about internships and different interview tips and strategies how to crack the placements for top MNCs. In this video, we'll discuss about the internship opportunity which has come from Infosys. So what it is, let us see. So as you can see my on screen, this is my LinkedIn page and you can see Infosys has posted a internship requirement, internship 6.2, and it's a virtual internship for the college students. Okay, and so it is a very good opportunity. Anybody sitting anywhere in India can apply for this. So this is how they have mentioned is something big is back. So they have 30,000 plus interns who have transformed their career so far through such internship. So this internship is basically for 4 domains. In 4 domains, AI, Angular, Python, Java, and database. So all of them are most demanding. So if you can get the opportunity from Infosys, trust me, it will add sparkles in your resume and will definitely give you a very good advantage into placements. So who can apply? Student pursuing class 12th or UG or PG candidates, those who are pursuing it. And what is the process? We will discuss as well in this video. So stay till end. So that is the hiring and then for internship. So let me take you on the portal where they have mentioned all the details. So once you click on the registration link, I will also mention the registration link in the comment section, description section, so you can find it there. It will take you here. You have to log in on Infosys Springboard. Once you log in, you will see this page. So this is a virtual internship. As you can see, it's a 6th edition. This program has been launched for aspiring enthusiasts, providing a platform. So basically, they are trying to give a exposure to all of you for the latest technologies that we have just seen. By the way, those who don't know, Infosys Springboard is a CSR initiative of this Infosys. So CSR is a free of cost initiative so that people can be benefited. So let's understand it in detail. So what it is for you, you will get that technical in-depth knowledge, which is again on latest technology that will do a lot of value addition in your profile. And it would not be just theory, it will be a project based learning. So you will get insight on the real projects and then you will get an expert guidance, which is the most important thing when it comes to learning and training. And then it's a 8-week internship. 8 week is around 2 months and it will be virtual, so you can do it from your place. Who can apply? So as we discussed just a few minutes back, it is for students who have passed 12th or who are pursuing their graduation or post graduation. Okay, so what is that they are looking for? They are looking for enthusiastic people who are committed for this 8 week of virtual internship program. And then this internship is designed to provide a project experience to student. Therefore, working professionals or previous batches alumni should not apply to this internship. So that's an important note. Process for nomination, you have to apply for this before 2nd June. So few days are left, so apply fast. And then you have to fill the nomination form carefully. Don't be in hurry. Fill the form with detail. And then if you are eligible, you have to done certain courses. You have to do certain courses that will be assigned to you, and you have to finish that by 30th June. So once you finish that, then only they will be taking you for internship. So it's not like you applied or your internship is started. You have to finish a certain number of courses to be eligible. And then you have to use the same ID. For example, you have login through one ID, it should be used consistently. Don't use new ID every time. Okay. So what is the shortlisting process? So they are not saying that everybody who apply will get shortlisted. And they are limited slots, and then course completion date. So which courses that are assigned to you, as soon as you finish them, it would be a key factor as mentioned here in your chances of getting selected. So what is that after your post-selection internship? So you will get a batch. There will be a batch allocation, as you can see here, and shortlisted students will be allocated to various batches, and then you have to join the assigned batch only. Regularly check your mail so that you get the latest updates. What you have to do, you have to take care of attendance. There should not be any leaves. There should not, you should participate actively. See, all these are the qualities of a good student, and contribution, meet the deadlines. And then if you, of course, most important, as we discussed, the eligibility criteria is very important. So please ensure you are meeting the eligibility criteria. And then there is a certain attendance criteria as well, for which you have to maintain certain attendance, then only you will get that. And then the complete internship journey is divided into milestone. So you will have 4 milestones. Every 2 weeks you will be having one milestone, and that is basically a kind of a small assessment that you have to do. So how to apply? I will share the link in the description box, so you can apply using that. So it will take you to this page, and you have to click on this button. So don't wait. Do apply as soon as possible, and also complete the courses which you are assigned to. And by the 13th June, you will came to know whether you are shortlisted or not. So already we discussed there are 5 categories in which this internship is being offered: artificial intelligence, Angular full stack, Python, Java, and data visualization. All of them are very trending and very demanding. In case if you have any queries, you can write them to on this address. Alright, so very good opportunity from a top company like Infosys. So do apply and finish your courses as soon as possible. For more such informative information about placements, internships, tips and strategies to crack interviews, follow Careerkunj. Thank you so much.